So my name is Nishit. I am the founder of Kain Cosmeceuticals. We are a third-party OEM ODM where we're doing product development, manufacturing, filling, packing across categories. So we do soaps, personal care, skin care, and a lot of makeup as well. So what I'm most excited about is dermal delivery systems and makeup. So very different from each other, but I think India is now ready to innovate for the world and not just get the innovations from the world to India. And we are playing our part to get the technology from India to the world. A lot more technical conversations and meeting a lot of our existing and new customers. Year on year, we're seeing the customers and even the final customers getting a lot more well versed with technology. So having those technical discussions really helps. The best part about being a founder in this industry is the growth. There's a lot of growth. There is a lot of opportunity. You can hit any category and there is a very big market ready waiting for you. Expansive is the word I would use, because it encompasses a lot of different a world of private label, a world of food, or a world of skincare, world of personal care. So expansive is what I would recommend. I think it's the product market fit. CMPL, every exhibitor and every buyer or supplier who's visiting is visiting with a very core focus. There is no ambiguity about why we are exhibiting and why our customer is visiting here today, and that is for contract manufacturing. Excitement. We're always excited to exhibit here, so I think excitement was the core part.